Hello friends, today we will introduce and teach the use and test of 12A DC-DC step-down voltage regulator module. Type of module can reduce the DC input voltage to a lower voltage. For example, this module is 12A and this module 3A 3 ampere and this module is 20 ampere step down. We have already introduced the 3 amp and 5 amp model on the channel and have included instruction and have used them, which you can see this link. Okay, but today we want to test the 12 amp model for you and show how to use it in this video. Okay, for example, today we use a 26 volt power supply to turn on a 24 volt fan, a 12 volt fan and 12 volt LED, and finally a 5 volt MP3 player module. Well friends, let's go to start testing the module. This module has an input from of a terminal and output in the from of terminal. Here you can see here input terminal positive and negative, and output here out positive and negative here. Also here you can see 2 pins for connecting the fan that you can use the cool the module, and you can see here LED, and that's good. 2 heat sink for cooling, and here you can see there is a potentiometer with volume volume, which is used to adjust the output voltage. First, we set the output of this power supply to 26 volt and measure it with the multimeter. Okay, as you can see, the output of this power supply is 24 volt, but I can increase the voltage a little higher using this potentiometer. This potentiometer, little voltage higher. As you can see, 27. That's good. The input voltage of this module can be 4.5 to 30 volt. Be careful, positive and negative. Be careful, connect the input. Before starting, please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. Well, friends, we have carefully connect the input and output, and now we are going to set the desired output. First, turn it on power supply. As you can see, 27 output. To turn on the 24 volt fan, we need to set the output to 24 volt by this potentiometer. As you can see, I try set 24 volt. Okay, that's good. 24 volt output. Now I try turn it on this fan, 24 volt fan. Like this, and be careful. That's good. Turn it on 24 volt fan. Okay. Our next test is to turn on the 12 volt fan. 12 volt fan. I'm sorry. 12 volt fan and 12 volt LED. 12 volt LED. For this, we set the output voltage to 12 volt using this potentiometer. Set 12 volt voltage. You can see here, go to 12. That's good. 12 volt output. I try turn it on 12 volt fan and LED. Okay, connect the positive and be careful, connect the negative. That's good. Turn it on 12 volt fan. Next, turn it on 12 volt LED. Now turn on LED 12 volt. Connect the negative wire and positive wire. You can see 12 volt LED, turn it on. That's good. Now it's time to turn on the 5 volt MP3 player module using the 27 power supply. We use this potentiometer to set output voltage 5 volt. Set output voltage 5 volt. Connect the multimeter. That's good. You can see here 20 volt output. Now we need 5 volt, I'm sorry, by this potentiometer. 5 volt step down to 5 volt. That's good. Let's go to turn it on 5 volt MP3 module by 27 power supply. Okay, let's go to test and turn it on MP3 module 5 volt. I use this plug for turn it on. Now connect the positive, be careful, positive, positive and negative. Negative. Now connect the positive. That's good. Okay, now we try turn it on 5 volt module by 27 power supply. As you can see, I try again. You can see turn it on MP3 module by 27 power supply. I hope this video has been informative for you. We have include training on the use of other model, for example 3A of the voltage reducer module on our channel New Tech Pro. Please see them. Please like and subscribe and support us. Thank you very much and goodbye.